Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alecphant Finance here. Today we're going to be talking about XLM. XLM has broken out officially. I can officially say with confidence that it has broken out. So let's take a look at the charts and see where we're going to go next. All right, let's go.
So whenever you trade, make sure you're always on tradingview.com before you make any entries or exits. And as always, you gotta do your preferred platform. So this one's Coinbase. So if you're using Coinbase, always use Coinbase. If you're using Binance, always use Binance on the platform. So that being said, let's get started. We were in this triangle right here. I expected a third touch on the bottom, B3, but I had to erase it because we never actually touched B3. XLM's big brother, XRP, did touch the B3 as it went back down 44 cents. Now it's $1.10. However, XLM didn't do that. If it did the same thing, it would have touched 35 cents and then explode. So with that, we have the price action. It broke out, retested at 38 cents, broke into the ascending channel depicted by the dotted lines, retested this line, which is these 2 points, creating this blue line here, dipped a little bit down, but that's not that. It's a big deal because sometimes you'll think it's going to break down here, but it doesn't. So in this point, it's so much safer just to hold now, because if you mess up that one mistake and like while you're sleeping, it goes up here, then you lose so many coins when it does that. So now that we're back into the blue dotted line trend line, which has been made from January 4 to now, we are in a bullish pattern again. If you were to do a parallel line of that applied here, the first point of resistance would be your 72-cent mark. And the breakout for the T1 to old B3, so this is old B3, the breakout from there would be applied to the breakout on T3 on the new pattern, which would be your 75-cent mark. Now remember, the channel, I said the top of the channel for this is about, it's going to be 75 cents for sure. 75 to 72 cents. And that would come up in the next, it technically takes 14 days on average to go up. So this one took 16 days to go up. This one would take 15 to 16, yeah. And then it's already been like 7 days. So we have 7 more days left. That would put us technically around the 13th, so Tuesday. Watch out your calendars for Tuesday. Now, here's the more important part. So these coins like to do 150% here, and this one, the long breakout did 175% from the top of the triangle, 269% from the bottom of the triangle. So if you took our B2, let's do this one first. B3 to T1 was 162%. So if you were to average that out, you'd get like 220%. So a good form of doing this is probably taking that 165% here, or the 220% from here. So 165% would put us to 91 cents, and the 260% would put us way above. It would be approximately like $1.2. So you're gonna have to decide when you're gonna want to sell in order to increase your holdings and buy the dip. By using that analysis, I would safely go from 90 cents to $1.02. That's a big difference. Now, if you use your Fibonacci retracement, you would get the 1.618 to 1.786, which is the golden ratio. That is going to be your 90 cents. So with that being said, we'll have to wait and see. All right, thanks, guys.